Dimples. I am signing in. I am on the busy road of Ghana. Come on guys, look at this busy street here. And what more could you ask for than food, food, food. Ghana is known for its street food. And today we're going to go on a search for the most delicious looking street food, okay? We are going on a search for some Kelewele, some fried yam, and some Tsofi. Tsofi is turkey tail. So stay with us as we go and purchase this delicacy, this extremely delicious Ghana street food. Let's go. This is Ghana street food. And this is a Cho-Cho center. Baby, I make up. Ah, babe. Make my own bread. Yo. Mon kind of way. Huh? Four. What's it? Young Koi? Are you in dummy? Oh, okay. Are you doing? How much you buy red camel? Yento be ya kono. They buy on fresh show. Very fresh. What you say? Yes, sir. Ah, yeah, fresh family me who.
But you mean Kelewele.
No, Tobom.
We got 5 cities, yeah?
Mommy train him number. It looks so nice. Oh, but talk Kelewele ni bi. Oh, okay.
Kelewele ni, I think that's it. catch it there, say. Not Tsofi being white. I'm 5 minutes. I'm 5 cities, Damien. Say it, 2. Big one, no more.
Babe, where are you to be? So that one is called Kakro. It's so interesting. Oh. Oh, no more. Oh.
You have to say. 23.
Was it 23? So everything came on 23 Ghana cedis. Wait, you have money there. That's 50. Babe, you need to be so cool. You had one Ghana share. Babe, Fabi can't mama. Babe, mama into so man being count mama feel me sa. Fabi count. 2 cry in your face. And just like that, we bought our Kelewele, fried yam, and Tsofi. And oh my god, that was the most delicious Tsofi I have ever bought. But yeah, we fell into the Ghana traffic, as you can see just in front of us, and we took a taxi home and enjoyed our dinner. So join us on this taxi ride, and thank you for joining me as we purchased some lovely Ghana street food right on the streets of Ghana. And my journey in Ghana continues, guys, so keep watching the videos. Thank you for the love so far, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Do comment, let me know if there's anything else you would love to see from Ghana. Until next time, family, it's kiss from this dimple, kiss from this dimple. Akua Dimples. I am signing out. That was my son, by the way.